Hey guys, welcome to my channel Cloudy ML, and this is Akash. So today I posted this question, again a question day 8 of data science interview. So this question I was asked in Amazon Python and SQL round. They have this round, especially it was for the role of a business research analyst one. So I was asked this question, but I was not able to do this question in order of n complexity. I was able to do it in n square and that time, but later I figured out what the answer should be. But anyway, I was able to solve all other answers, so I made through that round actually. So this question is telling that write the Python code to find least positive number missing from an array of integers. So you can have an array of integers, and you can figure out like suppose here the least positive missing number 1 is there, 2 is missing. So 2 is, if 2 was there, then the least positive would be 3 also, it will become 4. So that kind of output we are expecting. Okay, so moving forward to the answer. So this is the code which I wrote just now. So this code is like, suppose this is our input array. This is the thing. We are converting it into a list of so the thought process is like whatever the length of this array, we can have like missing positive integers least. It can be like 1 2 3 4 5 6, and suppose the length is 3 3 6 3 9. So the missing value least number, it can be in 1 to 9 only, right? So I am initializing an array with like range 1 to length of ip, this is length plus 1, like last index they will miss it, so that's why plus 1. So then I am initializing a dictionary and initializing all the elements of this array in a dictionary. So if you want to see this array, what's the value is there. So now array, it has come 1 to 9. Now I'm initializing D with empty dictionary, and all the elements in the array will be given a value of 0. So all the count of all the numbers are 0. Then I am iterating through all of the items in the input list and putting this line, like whenever I am getting this number, for example I am getting 1, so the D of 1 will be like D of 1 plus 1, that is, it was initially it was 0, now it will be incremented by 1, it can be increased by many times. Now what will happen, let's see the, after running this loop, what is the output of D. So you can see how the D is varying. 1 is 1, 2 is 1, 3 is 1, 4 is 0. Okay, 5 is 0, 6, 7 is 1. So like this it is working for this particular list. What is our list? Input list is IP. So you can see 1 is 1 time, 2 is also 1 time, 3 is also 1 time, 4 is 0 time. Okay, so I am supposed to print this number. Okay, and one extra thing to note here is that I have put this in try and accept, because what will happen, some numbers may not be in the list, like 4, it is not in the list, right? In this input is this one, right? My input, first input is this one, there is no 4, right? But in my dictionary I have initialized 4 also as a key value pair with value 0, right? You can see that initially when the D was initialized, so it was with 0, all were 0. I can just rerun it, you can get the clarity. So if you see the value of D now, all the values are 0. So when I am doing this iteration for I in IP, then 4 is not there. So it will throw a value key not found error. So that error I want to ignore. Even if it's not found, not a problem, just ignore and move ahead. So what will happen? Whatever the values are not found in this list will remain 0. And whatever is found, they will be incremented by 1 if it is occurring 1 time, or 2 if it's occurring 2 times. So that's our goal, right? We want to find the values which are missing in this array list, right, which is the of length this one, all the positive integers possible, least positive integers. So after that, then what I will do, I will iterate through all the items in D, and whenever I am finding it to be 0, I will print that number and break the loop. So this is what I did. 1 is there, 2 is having 1, 3 is having 1, 4 is having 0. So for the key value of 4, the value is 0. So it's satisfied. Print I is printed, and I'm getting my output as 4, and the loop is breaking. Let me run this once. I'll put the code in the link. So you see the output is 4. Now if I bring, like, 1 minute, 2, if I, like, this is the question I put in LinkedIn. Now this is the array, like this is the one I put in LinkedIn. Previously, if in upper portion I was using +2, so the output was coming instead of 2, the output was coming 4. Now the output is coming as 2. So this is the exact LinkedIn question. So just for you not to get confused. So yeah, that's it for today. Let me know if some things are not clear. I hope it's pretty well understood. Yeah, so the order of this is n only, because nowhere we are having a loop inside a loop. So order of this program is order of n. So no issues, right? Yeah, so that's it for today. Enjoy the weekend, man, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.